Kenyans are caught in the grip of higher food prices brought about by a combination of adverse weather, rising input costs, policy adjustments and high taxation. The prices for the staple commodities in the food basket such as maize flour, wheat flour, Irish potatoes, vegetables and cooking oil rose by an average of 20% in January 2022 compared to the same period in 2021. This has led to Kenyans creating alternative ways to deal with the high food prices. Well, chapatis are highly regarded and a big delicacy for many. It's no doubt chapatis are among the top foods consumed here in Kenya. They are commonly served with beef stew, cereal such as beans, peas or green grams, matumbo or with a beverage. But well, have you heard of Chapo Katakata? The chapatis are made with the usual chapati cooking procedure as the juice of katakata comes in during the serving of the chapatis. The menu is wide, but the customer's favorite seems to remain Chapo Katakata. Here at Wasafi Classic Hotel in Ongata Rongai, customers enjoy a chapati at 10 shillings each and they get to choose their preferred stew. In the case of katakata, a customer chooses their preferred soup to accompany the chopped chapatis on their plate. They are only required to pay for the chapatis and not for the soup. Doesn't the deal sound good?
Unajua uchumi ya Kenya mali inafika inabidi tu utegemee ile ndogo tu unapata usitake ni Wakenya wanapendanga ile kitu ya kutembea ati umekula wapi nimekula huko kuna kachagua huko hakuna kutumia pesa mingi ukiwa na so unakula lunch unakula sawa hiyo ndo sasa mtu mmoja tukimfanyia analeta wengine kama watatu hivi.
The Katakata recipe has been well adopted in different places of the country, especially following the increased food prices.
Ndio inakuwa na bei rahisi, hata kuwa na mbao unaweza tu dish.
Reporting from Ongata Rongai, I'm Stanely Njenga.